game day tacos, breakfast egg bites, snack or lunch pocket quesadillas, and how about some incredible Aussie beef taco chili with a little black beans? 4 meals from one meal? Yes, please. I'm Pam Smith, and I couldn't be more delighted to show you how to really make magic happen when you put a little extra investment into one meal, planning ahead, thinking about the meals to come. You can make it truly sensational. And this chili is a perfect example. I took all of the ingredients from my game day taco bar, the incredible Texy taco grass-fed beef that had just been nicely sauteed, some of the black beans, and instead of having to use even onions or garlic, I used some of the salsa that already had those ingredients in play. All I'm really needing to add to this is a little bit of chili powder and a little bit of tomato sauce because I want to extend it into that chili we know so well. But how about if you wanted to do your own personal chili to maybe even put into a thermos to take with you to work or send with your kids to school? You could even get them to make their own. This is going to be the new TikTok sensation. Just put a little bit of that tomato sauce right into the bottom of a glass measuring cup. Add to that some of your already cooked grass-fed Aussie beef, so delicious, so lean, so sustainable, and so nutritious. Again, loaded with protein and iron and zinc and B vitamins, all the things this nutritionist and chef is really loving. Little black beans and then adding a little bit of that salsa. Again, this is where some of our onions and garlic powder are coming in, and then add a little bit of that chili powder right to it. Get a little stir, get it into your microwave, and while that is microwaving to get to be just steamy hot, run some steamy hot water into your thermos. It's the way that you heat it. Again, you may know a thermos can be cold or it can be hot. Bring that personal chili out of your microwave, get it steaming hot right into your thermos. Then you could even top it with potentially some cheese. The heat from the chili is going to melt. You could even top it with a little bit of scallions if you wanted to add a little extra power, or maybe put a little package of that to the side. But ooh la la, you have got personal chili and it's delicious. For more ways to learn how to take your tailgating or your lunch up to a whole new level, check out some of the recipes at trueausiebeefandlamb.com. You'll find this and more, and find out what's next. 4 meals out of one meal? Oh yes, we'll look for more. Thanks so much for joining us.